Thank you for coming to our website. If you're like me, you're hesitant to sometimes even fill out a form on a website because you don't want to be hounded by a salesperson or bombarded with emails in the future. My name is Tim Barr and I'm Director of Sales here at Forum Infotech. And I commit to you that yes, we will follow up because if you've trusted us enough to give us your contact information, we will schedule an appointment with you to find out how we can help make your IT life easier. But we won't bombard you, we won't hound you, no more than 2 or 3 follow-up emails and phone calls. And if at any point you change your mind, just let us know and we'll take you right out of our database. We're here to make your IT life easier and to help you in any way that we can with managed services, cloud hosting, or a number of different services. Security, cybersecurity is a big one today that we can help you with. So we appreciate the opportunity to help you. Please fill out the form. We'll contact you soon, have that discovery call, and to see how we can make your life easier. We look forward to working with you.